Today we're breaking down React 19, Vue, and Svelte, and I'll help you understand which one actually makes sense to learn right now. No hype, no fanboy opinions, just real advantages, limitations, performance data, job market insights, and how each framework fits the modern AI-assisted workflow. Section 1. React 19. What's actually new? React 19 finally brings the biggest architectural update since hooks. Key improvements. 1. Server components are officially stable. 2. Automatic suspense improves streaming performance. 3. React compiler, React forget, reduces boilerplate state management. 4. Concurrent rendering gets more efficient. 5. Better support for AI-generated code and Copilot integrations. Why it matters. React now feels more like a modern full-stack framework when used with Next.js 14. React is still the job market king, especially in enterprise and SaaS development. Section 2. Vue, the stability-focused alternative. Vue isn't chasing hype. It's focused on developer experience. Strengths. 1. Extremely easy learning curve. 2. Composition API gives React-like flexibility. 3. Nuxt 3 is now one of the strongest meta frameworks. 4. Great documentation, great community. 5. UI ecosystem. Element Plus, Prime Vue, is stable and production ready. Vue is ideal for 1. Beginners. 2. Solo developers. 3. Design-focused front ends. 4. Teams needing simplicity plus speed, but Vue job market varies heavily by region. Section 3. Svelte and Svelte Kit. Performance Beast. Svelte is not a framework. It's a compiler. That's why it's incredibly fast. Advantages? 1. Zero virtual DOM. 2. Small bundle sizes. 3. Clean, minimal syntax. 4. Svelte Kit offers a full-stack experience like Next.js. 5. Performance is unmatched in lightweight apps, where Svelte shines. 1. Dashboards. 2. Animations. 3. Embedded widgets. 4. Apps where performance matters. Limitations. 1. Smaller job market. 2. Fewer enterprise-level tools. 3. Smaller ecosystem than React/Vue. Section 4. AI coding assistance. Which framework works best? Copilot, Cursor, Replit, Claude, all generate code more effectively with React because of its huge ecosystem. Vue is moderately supported. Svelte support is improving but still behind. If you want the best AI-assisted developer workflow, React wins. Section 5. Which one should you learn? Final answer. If your goal is career, job market, React, simplicity and fast learning, Vue, performance and modern feel, Svelte, full stack with modern meta frameworks, React, Next.js, or Svelte Kit. Best AI workflow, React. If you want my roadmap recommendations, drop a comment. I'll help you pick the best stack for your goals.